up? It's Kat. Welcome back to another video on my channel. For today, I want to take you through my entire day and I'm going to share with you my top 10 tips that I try and incorporate into my life every single day to kind of keep not only my physical spaces organized, but also like up here, you know what I mean? Because we all have so much going on in our lives and it can be really difficult to keep track of everything and make sure that you're getting everything done that you need to get done. So let's get into 10 different ways that I stay organized every single day. What's up, guys? I don't know what I'm doing. So number one has to do with always putting stuff away as soon as you're done with it. So for example, we're in my closet because this is the number one source of mess for me. When you're trying to pick out an outfit for the day and you try on one sweater and you're like, nah, I don't like this, and you throw it on your bed, and then you try on another one and you're like, nah, don't like this one either, so you throw it on your bed. And finally, you have the sweater you want to wear, but your bed is a mess and you don't feel like cleaning it up, so you just leave, and then when you come home, your bed's messy, and that's no fun. So I think it's a really good idea to get into the habit of always putting stuff away as soon as you're done with it. Try on the sweater, you don't like it, you just put it back. It takes 2 seconds. Just take 2 seconds to put it back and you will be so much happier because your spaces will stay so much cleaner and so much more organized. Kind of more of a reminder, I guess, but also explaining how I like to make my to-do list, because I know y'all probably know you should make to-do lists to remember to get all of your stuff done, but something that I like to do is have an ongoing to-do list. A lot of times you may not have gotten everything done the previous day, so that's why it's important to continue working off of that to-do list. What I'll do in the morning is go to my to-do list, check off anything that I did the day before or that I don't have to do anymore that I just didn't check off yet, and then like get rid of those and then add on any new tasks that I know I have to get done for that day so that it's all updated. A little hack I found that helps me out a lot when I do it, if there are 3 things, or you know, maybe it's 2 things or 1 thing or 5 things, whatever like the most important things are that you need to get done that day without question, write that list of things down in your notes and then screenshot it and make it your screensaver on your phone, so that when you open your phone, it's going to be right there and it's going to be really difficult to forget to get them done because you're staring at it every 5 seconds, because I know most of us stare at our phone every 5 seconds. Coffee is not an official hack in this video, but if you don't drink coffee, but you can drink coffee, I suggest drinking coffee because it helps. That's pretty much it for now. I'm gonna get back to work because I do have a lot of stuff I have to get done at the moment, and then I'll see you guys in a little while. Well, for you it'll be a few seconds, but for me it's gonna be a little while. I'm holding the camera this way so you can see the lovely mess behind me. So I just finished up a ton of my work, and the next thing that I wanted to share with you is something that I started doing and I really like it. It's called the 10-minute tidy. You may not have a ton of time in the day to do a total room clean or total house clean every single day, but you do have 10 minutes every single day. I don't care what you say, you have 10 minutes to dedicate to cleaning and organizing a space. So what I like to do is set a timer, and for 10 minutes all I focus on is cleaning. However much I get done, that's how much I get done. And a lot of times after the 10 minutes, if you have time, you're going to want to continue cleaning to get it done, so that's a bonus. But even if you don't, at least you got a ton done in that 10 minutes. My 10-minute tidy is done. I got my bed made. I didn't get as much as I wanted to get done. It's important to remember that that's fine. That's the point of the 10-minute tidy. If you don't get everything done, the point is that you got something done in those 10 minutes, so that's something to be proud of. And if you do that every day, it will make a big difference. So for right now, I wanted to quickly share another little tip that I have found has been super helpful. I feel like I never used to utilize the reminders app, and it could have helped me out in so many cases. Literally just go on, set a reminder for, you know, 5 o'clock that says get almond milk after work, and then that way at 5 o'clock you'll get the reminder on your phone and you know that you're not going to forget to do it. Try it out, see if it helps you in some sort of a situation where you need to remember something. My guess is that it will. Hey guys, so this next one has to do with your mirror. I know, crazy, right? But just hear me out. It's great, trust me. Say it's nighttime and you're thinking about how in the morning you have to get something done. Maybe it's read a chapter before you go to school, or upload your paper, or something that you can't do in that moment or you don't want to do right before you go to bed, but you have to remember to do it first thing in the morning. Grab yourself a Post-it note and a pen or pencil. Write down whatever your thing is that you have to get done on your Post-it note, and then you take that Post-it note and put it on your mirror, because chances are there is a mirror, whether it's your makeup mirror, your bathroom mirror, your dressing like big mirror, that you're going to look at before you leave the house in the morning. So if you put the note on the mirror, you'll definitely see it. So I was just sitting on the floor and editing a video, and then I looked up and I saw my breakfast oatmeal bowl and the glass of water that I had this morning, and I was thinking, gosh darn it, I don't want to have to deal with that right now. And then I remembered this little tip, I guess, that I have and I try and live by every single day, and that's the 5-minute rule. Pretty much it just means that if you see something and it takes less than 5 minutes to do it, just do it right then and there. If you have 20 minutes and the thing that you have to get done takes 20 minutes, do it. Like, if you have the time to do it, just immediately do it when you think about it. This is going to make such a big difference in how clean and organized your room and your spaces stay, because you're not letting things build up, you're just getting them done. So my next tip has to do with food, which I know we all love, so this is an exciting one, and that is to have at least one meal every single day for that week planned out. Now for me, I have this lasagna, like vegetable lasagna pre-made, so every single day for lunch I just pop it in the microwave and eat it, and it's super quick, super easy, and it's got like a bunch of vegetables in there. I highly recommend actually prepping at least one meal for every single day for the week, because that will really help you out. But if you can't do that, then at least have it planned out. So, you know, tell yourself, for dinner every day I'm gonna make pasta, or for breakfast every day I'm gonna have cereal. So that's one meal that you don't have to think about what you're going to eat. And if you can do it for all your meals, that's even better. But to start out small, at least one meal every single day for your week. This next one is a method I came up with to help sort through and organize all of your mail and like physical documents that you may have, and that is the RAFPR method, or RAFPR. The RAFPR method. First is R, which is read, so you gotta read it to find out what it's about. And then next is A, or act on it, which is just if there's any sort of action item needed associated with that document or piece of mail. And then next are F and P, and typically you would either do F or P, but you could also do both, I guess. F is file and P is picture. So for example, I don't think I'm ever going to really need this physical piece of paper again, so it's just gonna take up space. So I will take a picture of it and then upload that picture to my Google Drive or wherever online that you know you're not going to lose it, so that if you do need to go back and reference it, you have it, but it's not like you're taking up any physical space. Or if you feel like you do need the physical item, just in case, you can file it. And then R is recycle. So if you did opt to just take a picture of the document, then you go ahead and recycle it. Hey guys, so I'm about to go to my condo actually to finish up the painting, because in the next few days I'm gonna be moving in and I'm so excited. But I wanted to talk to you about this final tip that has to do with thinking and how many thoughts we have. I will think of something that could be super helpful for YouTube or work or fitness or life, like whatever it is, anything that will be beneficial to my life. And then I think to myself, oh, I'll remember it, I won't forget. And then I forget. So I think getting in the habit of always writing down thoughts that you have that are relevant to your life and what you want to do and achieve is super helpful, because no matter how much you tell yourself that you're going to remember, there is a good chance that you won't, and then it's just gone. The thought's just gone forever, and it could have helped you out a lot. If you watched until this part, comment blue flowers. I'm looking at my blue flowers. Comment blue flowers if you watched till this part. If you guys want more organization videos, click right above me. I got the playlist up there, and I think that's about it. So I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video.